WhatsApp tip and tricks. These are useful for you with security of WhatsApp from hacking and hackers. These are useful tips and tricks. 6 WhatsApp tricks are useful. Are you ready? We will start it right now. Trick and tip on WhatsApp is disappearing messages. Disappearing messages are useful trick in this video. Okay, this is useful trick from disappearing messages. If you turn on disappearing messages on the chat that you have disappeared messages turned on, the chat will delete after 7 days. Chat media will delete messages, medias like that. All will be deleted in 7 days. This is a useful trick. First tip is disappearing messages. If you want to disappear messages, click on your own which you want chat that which you want. Click on the here name button, and here you can see disappearing messages. Click on it and message timer. Click on. After that, here you can these all chats will be erased in 7 days. Okay. Tip and trick is dynamic wallpapers. Dynamic wallpapers can give extra life over WhatsApp. Please use WhatsApp beta for your WhatsApp. It have specific features. Okay, dynamic wallpapers. If you have special chat or on any members or friends else, I don't know, for that special chat you can put a dynamic wallpaper. Dynamic wallpaper can identify the special chat of you. This and trick is on WhatsApp is dynamic wallpapers. Click on the special chat and click on the 3 dots. After that, wallpaper. After that, click on that change. After that, if you want, I will click on this and set wallpaper. For all chat, no, it's my special chat. Okay, now you can see here that chat can be. And if you like this video, please like my video. Okay. The tip and trick is voice recording and speed of voice recording. Choose your voice recording and click on that, and you can see here 1x 2x like that. You can understand it 2 times of that recording, and you understand no boring on that. Please, this one is useful for you. Please note. Watch the first chat we did on the chat. First message did on the that chat by we can watch by HTML viewer. HTML viewer from that we can watch the first message came from that chat from exporting. This is the useful trick in this video. Please do this trick in your WhatsApp. Tip and trick is exporting chat. Exporting chat can you can watch the first chat came from there. Choose your chat and click on the 3 dots and more and export chat. You can see and via chat and also come into that chat. Okay, and send it, and you can see it's sending. You can watch that and you can watch in HTML. Here you can see like that. You can watch the first came on this chat. Okay, please this tip is useful for you. If you chat this tip is useful for you, please like my video. Last trick was our 2-step verification. This trick is for security of WhatsApp application. This is a useful trick also for security from hacking your WhatsApp application. Like that, you can secure your account from hacking. 2-step verification means faster that for if you are logging new to your WhatsApp. This pin asking from this come to sixth trick and tip is two-step verification. Two-step verification is used for security problems and security safe. If a hacker is trying to hack your WhatsApp, they asking your PIN number two-step verification. That's why turn on two-step verification. For turning on two-step verification, you want to click on these three dots. After that, here you can see settings icon and accounts. Click on that. And third one, you can see two-step verification. And click on that and here enable. After that, type your number. After that, confirm the number and type your email. Type it. I will copy it because for confirming. For confirm, I will copy. After that, click on save. I have turned on two-step verification. That's why I'm not saving. You want to save, and after that, two-step verification turning on and asking your PIN if you are new logging into WhatsApp. This is the main tip. Please do in this tip in your phone, please. Okay, today I'll see about 6 WhatsApp tip and tricks. This is the useful tricks. First one was disappear message. Second one dynamic wallpapers. Third one was starting message. Fourth one exporting chat. Sixth one is two-step verification. Two-step verification is the main trick in this video. Please do two-step verification on your video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, click on the bell icon, and put all you see all our notifications. Thank you for watching this video.